Hello learners, it's me Anu, your math enthusiast again from channel Class 6 Maths with our ongoing chapter of fractions. I'm sure everyone is gaining from my videos, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such content. And those who haven't seen the previous videos or want to revise it can check it out on my channel Class 6 Maths in the fractions playlist. So in the previous video class, I have explained half of the exercise 7.3 of fractions of NCERT book. Remaining half I'm going to explain it in the present video. So I'm sure everyone is with me. So let's begin. Question number 5. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 with A part numerator 9. So the given fraction is 36 by 48 and the new equivalent fraction has numerator 9. So we have to find the denominator. So we can clearly see that the new equivalent fraction is smaller. The value is decreasing. So we are going to divide with 4. 36 divided by 4 gives us 9. So same operation has to be performed with the denominator. So 48 divided by 4 will give me 12. So the new equivalent fraction is 9 by 12. Moving on to the B part, given fraction is 36 by 48 and the new equivalent fraction should have denominator 4. So we have to find the numerator. Again, we can see that value is decreasing. So we are dividing with 12, which gives us 4. So numerator will also be divided with 12, giving us 3. So the new equivalent fraction is 3 by 4. Let's move ahead to question number 6. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. So here we are going to use the cross product rule, which I have explained in my previous video. Let me quickly revise it. Here we are going to multiply n1 with d2 and n2 with d1. If the products are equal, then the fractions are equivalent. So let's find out the product of 5 and 54, 30 and 9. So when I multiply 5 with 54, I am getting 270. And if I'm multiplying 30 with 9, again I'm getting 270. So here we can clearly say that the products are equal. So yes, the fractions are equivalent. Moving ahead to the next part, 3 will be multiplied with 50, 12 will be multiplied with 10. Let's check out the product. 3 multiplied by 50 gives us 150 and 12 multiplied by 10 gives us 120. So clearly 150 is not equal to 120. So the answer is the fractions 3 by 10 and 12 by 50 are not equivalent. Moving ahead to the C part. Here we'll find the product of 7 and 11, 5 and 13. So 7 multiplied by 11 is equal to 77 and 5 multiplied by 13 gives us 65. So here also we can see that 77 is not equal to 65. So the answer is no, the fractions are not equivalent. Moving ahead. Question number 7. Reduce the following fractions to simplest form. So here we have to find the lowest form or simplest form of the given fraction. And for that we have to find the HCF. HCF is highest common factor. So I'm going to explain in this question how to find the HCF by using prime factorization method. So we are going to find the prime factors of 48 and 60. So 2 times 24 is 48, 2 times 12 is 24, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3. 60 prime factors, 2 times 30 is 60, 2 times 15 is 30, then 3 times 5 is 15, 5 times 1 is 5. So if we observe, the common factors are 2, 2, 3. That is 2 into 2 into 3. That is 12. So I'm going to divide both the numerator and the denominator with the HCF, that is 12. 48 divided by 12 will give me 4. 60 divided by 12 will give me 5. So now the fractions 48 and 60 are simplified to 4 by 5. Similarly, we're going to go with the B part, 150 by 60. First of all, both numerator and denominator have 110 each. So we're going to cancel them. Now we are left with 15 and 6. So here we can clearly see that both are divisible with 3. So 15 divided by 3 gives me 5. 6 divided by 3 gives me 2. So here 5 by 2 is the simplest form of the given fraction. Moving ahead. So same question, part C, 84 by 98. So let's again find the HCF of 84 and 98 by prime factorization method. So 2 times 42 gives us 84, 2 times 21 gives us 42, 3 times 7 is 21, 7 times 1 is 7. So then 2 times 49 is 98, 7 times 7 is 49, 7 times 1 is 7. So here we can clearly see that the common factors are 2 and 7. So the highest common factor is 2 multiplied by 7, that is 14. So we are going to divide both numerator and denominator with the HCF 14, which gives us 84 divided by 4, 6. 98 divided by 4 gives us 7. So the fraction is 6 by 7. D part, 12 and 52. Let's find their factors. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. What about factors of 52? 2 times 26 gives us 52. 2 times 13, 13 times 1. So here the HCF is only 2 into 2, that is 4. So dividing the numerators and denominator with 4. 12 by 4 gives us 3. 52 by 4 gives us 13. So the fraction is 3 by 13. So these fractions are in the simplest or lowest form. Moving ahead. So last E part of the 7th question, 7 by 28. So here we can clearly see that both are divisible with 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 28 divided by 7 gives us 4. So 1 by 4 is the simplest or lowest form now. Moving ahead. Question number 8. Ramesh had 20 pencils. So let's write the information simultaneously. Ramesh is having 20 pencils. And Sheelu had 50 pencils. Sheelu had 50 pencils. And Jamal had 80 pencils. Okay. So let's read ahead. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 20 pencils. So here I'm going to write the used pencils. Right? So the used pencils are how many? Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Sheelu used up 25 pencils. And Jamal used up 40 pencils. So what fraction did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencils. So basically we have to find the fractions of used pencils. Fraction of used pencils, right? So whenever we have to calculate the fraction, numerator will have whatever they have asked and denominator will always have the total number of pencils. So used pencils are 10. And in the denominator, we will have total, that is 20. In the similar manner, Sheelu has used 25 pencils, total is 50. And Jamal has used 40 pencils out of 80. So this is the fraction of used pencils. But the question next part is asking, check if they have used an equal fraction. So let's simplify. So in the first part, I can clearly see that numerator and denominator each have 1 0. So I'm going to cancel it, which gives me the fraction in simplified form, that is 1 by 2. Looking at the second fraction, I can clearly see both are divisible with 25. So which gives me 1 by 2. And in the third fraction, again, both numerator and denominators have 0. I'm going to cancel them. And then I can see that they are divisible with 4, which gives me again 1 by 2. So all the three are in the lowest form, giving the fraction 1 by 2, that is half. So the answer is yes. They have used an equal fraction of pencils. I hope everyone is clear about it. Anyone having any doubts, please don't hesitate. Just write it in the comment box and I will definitely revert back and clear your doubt. So moving ahead. Question number 9. Match the equivalent fractions and write two more for each. Let's solve the first part. 250 by 400. So we can see that 0 is present both in numerator as well as denominator. So we can cancel them out. And then further we can see that 25 and 40 are divisible with 5, giving us 5 by 8. And here, so first part will match with the D part. Moving to the second part, 180 by 200, zeros can be again cancelled because they are present both in numerator and denominator. So 18 by 20, we can see are both divisible with 2. So 18 by 2 gives me 9 and 20 by 2 gives me 10. 9 by 10 is matching with the E part. I hope everyone is understanding it. Moving to the third part, again we can see 660 upon 990. Zeros are present both in numerator and denominator, so we just cancel them. And then we can see that 66 and 99 both are divisible with 33. 66 divided by 33 gives me 2. 99 divided by 33 gives me 3. So 2 by 3, this is matching with the A part. Now 180 by 360 is the fourth part. Again, we are going to cancel the zeros as they are present in both numerator and denominator. 18 and 36, their HCF is 18. So we are going to divide both numerator and denominator with 18. 18 divided by 18 is 1. 36 divided by 18 is 2. Half, 1 by 2. This is matching with the C part. Moving to the last part, fifth part, again zeros are present in both numerator and denominator. We just cancel them. So 22 and 55 both are divisible with 11. So 22 divided by 11 gives me 2. 55 divided by 11 gives me 5. So 2 by 5 is going to match with the B part. I hope everyone is clear. We have changed them into their lowest forms. And the next part is saying that we have to write two more equivalent fractions. So class, I want you of that this should be a homework for all of you. So please, those who know the answers, do write it in the comment box. And I will check it out whether you are understanding the topic or not. So that's it for today, class. Thank you so much. So I hope everyone understood what I was trying to explain in this video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more such content. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.